In today's exam riddle, we have this reaction scheme. This reactive intermediate, an Aryne, should react with this beta ketoester in the presence of a base, finally resulting in this annihilated ring system with an aromatic 6-membered ring and a functionalized 7-membered ring. The task is to develop a reasonable mechanism for this reaction. Please try to solve the problem by yourself first and then afterwards listen to the offered solution. So, an Aryne is not a reagent which you can fill up in a flask. No, it has to be generated in situ, and there are various ways to do so. We have a base. What will the base do? Deprotonate. Where do we have the most acidic proton? Well, it's certainly this one at the tertiary center, since it is double activated by those carbonyls. The enolate is very well stabilized by conjugation. So minus H plus, and we will get to that conjugated enolate conjugated to the ester. On the other hand, this Aryne can be regarded as some kind of diradical. At least it has a reactivity similar to a diradical, since the orbital overlap is rather small in this case. A typical CC double bond, there is the overlap of p orbitals, and here it's the overlap of sp2 hybridized. It's sp2 hybridized, and it's the sp2 orbitals that overlap. So here a reaction can take place between the radical centers and the double bond, a 2+2 cycloaddition process. It might be concerted or might be performed via a polarized transition state. However, the 2+2 cycloaddition will lead us to this structure with a central 4-membered ring, six-membered, 4-membered, 5-membered ring, and now this CC bond is rather weak. It can be broken releasing the steric strain of a 4-membered ring. We then already have the 7-membered ring, the carbonyl group here, and the remaining anion is stabilized by conjugation to that carboxylic acid ester functionality, and through conjugation to that aromatic ring system with the carbonyl group in the ortho position. Well, now we simply need the protonation, and we have reached the final stage of the reaction. Thanks for listening.